Welcome to Don't Lecture Me channel. Today we're playing something really fun. Guess the correct logo of some popular brand or an app. And before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos. Let's get started. Good luck! Round 1. You are a person of subtle intellect. You are doing good. Round 2. I know it always seems impossible until it's done. I believe you can do it. Round 3. I'm glad to have such smartest subscribers as you are. I think that's too easy for you, am I right? Round 4. Too many people undervalue what they are and overvalue what they're not. Don't be lazy, come on buddy. Round 5. If you know you can do better, then do better. Be the best you can be, remember it. Round 6. Is it hard for you? I must say you're really great at this. Round 7. You are the smartest viewer I've ever seen. I really love your smart brain. Round 8. I like the way your mind works. I believe in you. Do you already know the answer? Round 9. I'm pretty sure you can solve this faster. You are the smartest person in the world. Remember it. Round 10. My subscribers are the smartest person in the world. I'm pretty sure you can do it. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon.